Hey, what's up, y'all? This is what my hair was looking like. As you can see, I'm in desperate need of a new protective style. So if you would like to see how I transform myself for the summertime, just keep on watching. So this is a hair that I used. I got this from my local beauty supply store. It's by the brand Bobbi Boss. These are the new locks in the boho French deep style. They're 14 inches long and in the color T1B27. I really like this hair because the ends are very soft and natural looking. It's also crochet hair, which makes the installation process pretty foolproof. So I went ahead and blow dried my hair to make it easier to section off, and I prefer the look of individual parts. So what I did is I parted my hair in a straight line from ear to ear, well, straight-ish. I'm really not the best parter, but you know. And all that hair in the front, I'm going to install individually. I also took some hair out in the back around the perimeter to install individually. And the hair in that middle section is going to be cornrowed. And I'm going to install the hair how you traditionally would install crochet hair. So this is how my hair is looking after I plaited half of the front. I tried to keep the parts pretty clean because this is a part of my hair that's going to be the most visible. All I did was take a rat tail comb and section my hair off into squares. And I used Shine and Jam to smooth down my root before plaiting my hair. Alright, so these are the cornrows I did in the back. I know, pitiful. I tried my best, y'all. Moving right along. As far as the ends of these cornrows, the lady in the beauty supply store gave me a tip. She was like, you can install a lock onto the ends of the hair to hide that basically like piece hanging down, and that would create another, basically a second row in the back, if that makes sense. There are braid patterns where you can just braid all the hair at the end together and have it flat, but I'm not that advanced of a braider, clearly, so yeah. So on to the part where I show you how to actually install the hair. You take a crochet needle, you pass it through the base of your braid, you find the loop at the top of the crochet hair and you place that onto the hook. Next, you close the hook and pass it back through the base of your braid, and once the hair is like halfway through or so, you go back to that loop and you would pass your real hair that's braided as well as the crochet hair through that loop, and you pull to secure it. So now this is what you're left with. To get your braid inside of the lock, you pass the needle up through the middle of the lock. Then you would basically push the head out once it gets to the top, and you would hook your braid in similar to how you did the crochet hair, and you're passing your hair now through the interior of the lock. The longer your hair is, the more tedious this process becomes, but you basically repeat these steps until all of your hair is inside the lock. Alright, so let me take the rest of this hair down so y'all can get into the full look. Not gonna lie, I struggle. As y'all know, I'm not the best braider, I'm not the best parter, but if I could do it, there's hope for you. Almost gave up 3 times, but it came out so cute, like better than I even thought it would. I feel like it's giving, what is it giving? It's giving like boho baddie, it's giving beach babe, and I'm here for it. So here's a quick look at the back, and the hair has so much volume to it that like even the butchered way that I kind of installed this is pretty unclockable unless somebody is like all up in your scalp. So yeah, this is the hair in the front. As you can see, it gives kind of that individually installed illusion. I really like this braid pattern. I'll probably use it for pretty much all of my protective styles in the future, so I can like get the vibe but also save on time. Also, this hair was looking a little bulky at the crown of my head, and I really don't like that because it just looks wiggish to me. It looks like Mekhi Phifer off of 8 Mile, you know what I'm saying? Like, give me sleek. So what I did is each lock has 2, I believe, wavy pieces coming out. So the piece at the top, I literally just wrapped around the lock to decrease the diameter of the lock and just cut down on some of that bulkiness, and that did the trick. And this hair looks really cute in a variety of styles. So you can pull it back, you know, it's cute down, it's really cute pulled up. So let me show y'all what that looks like. See, isn't that cute? I almost like it even better up than I do down. But hopefully you all enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Subscribe to this channel for more content, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.